Okay, now we've powered up our broker, the next thing we want to do is to actually now log in and connect to our UI on our system. So I've connected here to the default IP address that was configured earlier in an earlier video. What we now need to do is to connect. So we're going to use our default username and password. So our username is going to be cPacket, and our password is going to be cPacket PW. Okay, and you can see we've now connected to our broker, and you can see we have all of the main dashboard up. So probably the first thing that we're going to want to do now that we've connected is actually to go in and change that default password. So we do that through our configuration and status menu on the top of the screen, and on the left hand side now we can actually come down into our user management tab, and you can see if we click on that, we can now see all of our different users and our roles and all of the different profiles we have. Now in this particular case, we're going to actually now change a specific local user. So we click on our user management and our users tab, and here you can now see we have our cPacket user in the system. You can see it's a locally administered user, and you can see it's currently set to an admin level. So what we can do is we can click on our action and we can edit that user, and it'll bring up our configuration panel. So again, we can see our username. We can now enter our new password that we want to use. And again, we need to confirm that password. And we can also make sure we confirm that it's a local and our admin, and we can now save that password in the system. So yes, we want to confirm that we want to update changes. We can click yes. That has now done that, and the next thing we can do is we can actually confirm that that has worked. So the system will automatically log you out. So we can now again confirm that, and we can now log in with our new password that we've just created for the default user. So now the default username and password have been disabled, and we're now back to having a more secure system, and we'll go into other types of security in further videos. So that completes our video on changing the default password for the user within our cVu broker.